when I come to the back, there's nothing that really distinguishes anything. So I'm like, where's the front? Here's the front. I have the left ventricle, I have the right ventricle. Notice the left ventricle takes up most of the anterior portion. And then I find the pulmonary trunk. The first vessel that you see in the front should be the pulmonary trunk coming from the right side, okay? So the probes are sticking in the vessel. There's the pulmonary trunk. Behind it should be the aorta, okay? And you can see there's multiple little vessels coming off of the aorta like it should. On the back side, you probably can't see this unless I put a stick in it, because this would be the superior vena cava, this is the inferior vena cava. Both of them are entering the right atrium, okay? You could stick that in there if you needed to. So, left ventricle, right ventricle, pulmonary trunk, aorta, superior vena cava, inferior vena cava. Okay, this, the way they have it cut, this would be the pulmonary veins coming in the left side, okay, into the left atrium. You don't see the right atrium, you don't see the left atria. All you see are the auricles. Remember, auricles are ear-like appendages. This is the left auricle on top of the left atrium, left ventricle. Back here is the right auricle on top of the right atrium, on top of the right ventricle. Okay, questions on that? So what's labeled left ventricle, right ventricle, pulmonary trunk, left auricle, right auricle. Now it's your turn